welcome to the video. I'll show you my beautiful garden. The birds chirping. And in this video, I just want to say, what are my New Year's resolutions? And the answer is, I don't have any New Year's resolutions because I live life with constant resolutions. I'm always trying to get better and improve myself and my life in every way, almost, like a whole bunch of ways, always, constantly. And some things are easier than others, and some things are hard, and some things are slow, and some things are fast. And it's a mixture of easy, hard, fast, slow. So yeah, I'm going to show you a little pigeon on the roof. And I want you to encourage you to make self-assessment and inner investigation and learning, and being open instead of being in denial, open to improvements, and open about what you're addicted to and your bad habits and your automatic behavior, the ways you hurt or cause stress to others. Be aware and acknowledge when you become negative or disharmonious or chaotic in your energy field, your emotional field, and even in your mind, And it's when you're willing to be honest with yourself, you can start taking responsibility instead of blaming others. Like, this is how I feel. You made me feel this way. Now, other people do affect us because we're all empathic and we feel other people's energy if they're chaotic or disharmonious. But we can't go overboard and start blaming the way we feel totally on another person. Part of taking our power back and becoming powerful and strong is to become individually much more self-dependent on how we feel, how well or poor we feel. So we can't give out and blame others. You made me feel this way. And instead we can say, my thoughts, my perception of you, my attitude towards you, my closed heart towards you made me feel bad. It wasn't all you. It was a little bit of you, but it was a lot of me. We can't be critical of when we say we're at the mercy of life and other people for 100% of how we feel, we're totally giving our power away. So we have to become very diligent at creating a habit of looking at ourselves and pointing the finger inwards and looking within instead of pointing the finger outwards and blaming people and events. So we have to look at our own bad behavior, and I just use that in a friendly sense of the word. Not that we're bad people, but we have sometimes conditioned automatic reactions which come from past trauma and past programming and conditioning and belief systems and programmed conditioned attitudes and perspectives and mental ways of looking at things and automatic emotional uprisings from past pain and trauma and hurt. So we have to be willing to look at this and to gradually learn about ourselves and change ourselves. They say knowing others is wise, knowing ourselves is enlightenment. So this is what I'm talking about. So I do this all the time. It's nothing for the new year. I never even thought about it once, except my friend actually just messaged me, asked me, do I have any New Year's resolutions? And I kind of thought that was funny, just the way I'm smiling now. Because I didn't see resolutions on Facebook or social media. I didn't see anything about resolutions on the telly. Nobody in my life mentioned resolutions. So then suddenly I just get a thing about my friend asking me, and it's the 3rd of January now, or the 4th, I think, actually. And I was like, oh, I forgot about that. But absolutely not. I never thought about it whatsoever. I always have life resolutions, always. I don't even call them resolutions. It's just ways I'm trying to improve and learn. So we're all souls having a human experience here, as Wayne Dyer and so many teachers will mention. So many near-death experiences, our life regressions. We all know we're souls, we're spirits, we're consciousness, coming here to have a human experience. And all's funky-dory in the bigger picture of source, God, life, universe. There's no mistakes, there's no going wrong, there's no bad. We have soul contracts, soul agreements, soul lessons, karma, whatever way, depending on how you want to view that word. I don't view the normal karma like you did that, now you have to suffer this way. Karma is just cause and effect for me, But anyway, I won't go off topic for too long. I wish you a beautiful, happy new year in 2019. Let's make this mantra for today and this year. This year is going to be better than last year. This is going to be a much better year this year than last year. And let's every day start the day with the feeling and the idea, today's going to be better than yesterday. I'm going to make it better, and I'm going to try and cope better, deal with the challenges better, the problems, the lessons better. I'm going to try and feel and heal better, and feel it with my heart better, and have love and compassion better, and have wisdom and knowledge and patience better, and all the good virtues. So, thanks everyone for watching. Have a beautiful day, and thanks for liking, sharing, and subscribing, and commenting and engaging, as it supports my channel, and I really appreciate it. So thanks, and friend me on Facebook, and for one-to-one consultations or for body, mind, spirit, physical healing, mental healing, emotional healing, relationship and communication improvements, and as well as for my herb store. Visit my herb store for herbs to support your holistic well-being too. Visit my links below, higherselfherbs.com, and message me today to book an appointment for you or your loved ones, and I'm delighted to help. So check out my websites and message me for any help. Just message me, go ahead. I'll do my best to either answer you or to arrange a discounted or full price, depending on your affordability, consultation. But just even message me on Facebook. That's what I use the most by far, and I love to just help people. So I get a lot of gratitude and satisfaction and enjoyment and love for helping people. So yeah, I think that's that. Let's look at the window. And for more videos on herbs, diet, holistic healing, body, mind, spirit, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to receive notifications. Okay, see you everybody. Good night.